Welcome to the AlarmNet 360 course on programming the Lyric Gateway and enabling Honeywell Total Connect remote services. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed from start to finish. Preparation is key to any successful installation. To properly prepare for a new Lyric Gateway installation and to enable Honeywell Total Connect, gather the AlarmNet subscriber, also referred to as the AlarmNet account, information. This information should be provided by your central station. You will also need to gather the MAC ID and CRC numbers from the carton the Lyric Gateway came in, or from the back of the Lyric Gateway, with the back panel removed. We will be creating the account using the AlarmNet 360 app, available for iOS and Android devices. You can also create the account from the web portal. Open the app and enter your AlarmNet 360 username and password. Tap Login. From this screen, you can search for a user's account by city, central station and sub, or by MAC ID. You can also create a new account, as we will do in this example. All accounts created will show up in a list at the bottom of the screen. Tap New Account. You have the option to select a commercial or a residential account by selecting the option box for the customer type. For this example, we will use the residential selection. Enter the customer's first and last name. Enter the customer's email address. Select the type of phone from the scrolling menu. Select the country code. Enter the customer's phone number, including area code. You have the option at this point to add additional phone numbers. Review everything was entered correctly, then tap Next. You will now be in the Security Account screen. Enter a location name. This name describes the home or business you are setting up the account for. Select the country from the scrolling menu. Enter the customer's address. Enter the city. Select the state or territory. Then enter the zip code. If you are using other applications such as Customer Relationship Management, Accounting, etc., you can enter the ID you previously created for your customer in the Dealer Reference ID box. This will be used to search the customer by this ID instead of using City CS Sub or MAC ID. The Notes box can be used to enter any additional information about the account. We will now select the Control Panel by tapping and scrolling through the options. Select LCP 300-L. Using the information you gathered earlier, enter the MAC address, then the CRC. Next, enter the AlarmNet Communicator account information, also known as a reporting number that you received from your central station. It consists of a 2-digit city ID, a 2-digit central station or CS, and a 4-digit subscriber number. Once you have completed and reviewed all entries, tap Next. This will confirm the device and AlarmNet account numbers for use. You will now see the AlarmNet 360 Services screen. Complete the account creation process by tapping the Supervision menu. For this example, we will select Monthly. You can opt for additional services such as Advanced Protection Logic and Two-Way Voice. For more information, please visit the Lyric Security Toolkit website, the Honeywell Security website, or contact your Honeywell representative or central station. Tap Next. If you are adding Honeywell Total Connect, you can use an existing account or create a new one, as we will do in this example. Start by entering an account name, which is a reference to the customer account. It can be anything, but we suggest using the customer's account number followed by their last name. You can use this name later on to locate the account on AlarmNet 360. Next, enter the master username, which is the master user login name for Honeywell Total Connect. It must be a minimum of 6 characters. Enter the user's email address if it's not already displayed. The Enable User Code Management checkbox is selected by default to allow the master user to add, modify, or remove panel user codes from Honeywell Total Connect. This also enables customers to arm or disarm the panel from Honeywell Total Connect without having to enter the panel user code each time. Enter the panel master code. Now select the end user preferences, including language, time zone, date format, and time format. Once the preferences have been adjusted, tap Next. At this point, you will be on the Honeywell Total Connect settings screen. Tap the Total Connect Service Plan menu and choose Basic, Plus, or Premium Service. Then select any additional services the customer is subscribing to. For more information about these services, please contact your Honeywell representative or AlarmNet Central Station. For this example, we will keep Pre-configured Total Connect 2.0 account selected. Tap Next. Next, select the basic notifications your customer would like to receive. Once all selections have been made, tap Finish. You will see verification that the account has been created. If you tap View Account Overview, you will see a screen notifying that the account is inactive. Now that the AlarmNet and Honeywell Total Connect accounts have been programmed, the final step is to install, power up, and activate the Lyric Gateway. Please refer to the Lyric Gateway Setup video series on this website. Congratulations! You have successfully programmed the Lyric Gateway and Honeywell Total Connect using AlarmNet 360.